Hi, I'm Varun. I'm a second year at University of Nottingham studying History and American Studies. I'm sure that just like me last year, you were incredibly excited to start your university experience. But also probably just like me, you were sat around bored as out of your mind, twiddling your thumbs, wondering what on earth to do with your life. Well, wonder no more. Here are 5 things that you can do before you start university. Number 1, plan your welcome week. Check out su.nottingham.ac.uk/welcome. On that, you'll find amazing information about all of the brilliant welcome events that we plan for you. You can also book your tickets, and we've got events for everyone, from ice skating and cinema trips to club nights at Baywatch and zoos. I mean, not literally zoos. But yeah, learn more about your students' union and start planning your welcome week. Number 2, join the Facebook groups. We've got a brilliant new Facebook group called University of Nottingham New Students 2018. On that, you can find out more about your course mates, flatmates, and just learn more about the university and start talking to people who are in the same position as you. Number 3, find out more about our societies. We have over 200 societies here at the University of Nottingham. Go to su.nottingham.ac.uk/societies and find out more about the societies. From cheerleading and American football, to flair sock and radio, there's something for everyone. Number 4, pack. This may sound really obvious, but I'm going to be honest, when I got to university, there was so much stuff that I forgot to bring, even bedding. So make a list of everything that you need to pack and get packing. Number 5, spend some time with your family and home friends. You're going to be away for a while, so it might be nice to make them a dinner, go for a walk, and just do some fun family activities. Anyway, that's 5 things for you to do before you join University of Nottingham. We can't wait to see you, and we can't wait to welcome you to our world. See you in a few weeks.